Okay, students, let us move on to question number 6 and further. See, question number 6 said to you to find out the value using distributive law. I said, distributive law implementation will be many times in our maths, so you should do it. See, here for the rational number, see here it is given to you 7 by 15, one rational number, multiplied with minus 50 by 49 plus again 7 by 15. See, 7 by 15 here also, 7 by 15 here also, and here is a plus sign. Don't forget to put the correct sign, there is a plus sign. So 7 by 15, see this is, in algebra I have said you how will you count the separate term where as many plus or minus is there. Multiplication and division will not be counted as a separate term. It is not term, but this particular portion, it is multiplied, it's one term. You can say this is a one rational number and this part is a one rational number. So there are two rational number in fact, because it is separated by two sign, plus sign and plus sign. Could you understand it? So this one, out of these two rational number, what is common? This 7 by 15 is common. So 7 by 15 you take common. Distributive law says whatever is, it can be more. There are two rational number. It can be 3, 4. Here minus sign with 7 by 15 another multiplication could have been there. So 7 by 15 will be there. Again that will carry minus sign. I hope you have understood it. So 7 by 15, left is minus 50 by 49, plus is the sign, that is a plus 1 by 49. Now, the 7 by 15 you keep it bracket, what you do, 49 is the LCM, minus 50 plus 1, minus 50 plus 1 is minus 49. So, minus 49 divided by 49 will be minus 1. So, 7 by 15 minus 1, which is equal to minus 7 by 15. So, you got the value minus symbol. You see how the things are easy. You have separated and then you have done this addition first, then you have multiplied this one. So value came very easy. Let us do one more sum. I have taken question number 5th one, because here no, you are not finding a common rational number to take it out of the bracket and then do it. It is, you have to make it common, like see 1 by 3. See, there are 3 terms like here, first term, second term and third term, because 3 sign, plus sign and minus sign. I said separated by plus or minus. Addition, multiplication and division will not be counted as separate rational number. You understand? This can be made a separate rational number. Okay. So this one here, 2 by 3 can be made 2 into 1 by 3. That is what I have done it. 2 into 1 by 3. In this case also, in this case also, in this case also. 2 into 1 by 3 and 9 by 10. 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1. And there 1 by 3, because 1 by 3 your target is to take 1 by 3 common and rest all things in a bracket with their respective signs. Could you understand? So 1 by 3 you have taken, out of this 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 and this 1 by 3. What is left? 2 into 9, 18 by 10. In this I have written once again 1 by 3 into 18 by 10, 1 by 3 into minus 8 by 10 and 1 by 3. Can I write on that? Now you see 1 by 3 is the rational number common. So you take it, and according to the distributive law, what will happen? 18 by 10 is leaving left, so it will be written for the second rational number minus 8 by 10. This is left. 1 by 3 is already out of, you have taken it. So minus 1 by 3 you have taken it. What is left? Minus 1. 1 by 3 you have taken. Minus 1 into 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 is left. Don't leave it. Don't consider it. Nothing is left. No, minus 1 is left. So 1 by 3 into 10 is the LCM, 10 minus 8. So 1 here, 1, this can be written as 1, 10 divided by 1 is 10, 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. So 1 by 3 into, if you do it now, 18 minus 8 minus 10, you will find 0, 0 by 10. 1 by 3 into 0 by 10, that is 1 by 3 into 0, is, which is equal to 0, 0 is the value for it. Could you understand it? The very good sum it was. Fill in the blank is there. What will you do? 13 by 5. I have taken the 5th one. 13 by 15 multiplied by some blank is there, and then again one rational number is there. See, this 13 by 15 is other side also. 5 by 6 is other side also, and 13 by 15 is according to the distributive law. What you need to do? Simply don't say it as the missing rational number is minus 3 by 2 to the right hand side. So minus 3 by 2 will be the answer. If it is an objective type question, if it is not asked to elaborate things, then you can very well write. But you can't do this we'll have to solve it. Let a by b is equal to 13 by 15, c by d is equal to minus 3 by 2, and e by f is equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay, according to distributive law of multiplication, according to distribution of multiplication, SECOR, according to distributive law of multiplication, what? A by b into within bracket c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f, and then so the rational number in the blank will be definitely c by d. Here is the blank, you see, here is the blank, c by d in the right hand side. So c by d is what? C by d is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 will be the blank place. Could you understand? This way of proving is always good. If not, you can if it is a mental sum, then you can prove it like that. Okay, now I will tell you about the reciprocal and the power in this is some of the sums I will teach you, because objective type question at the end is very good. My question number 7, reciprocal of minus 1. See, any minus 1 means what? If you write down p by q format, minus 1 by 1. So reciprocal, denominator goes to numerator, numerator comes to denominator. So what will happen? 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is also minus 1. So reciprocal of minus 1 will be minus 1 only. There is no reciprocal of 0. 0 cannot have any reciprocal, because 0's reciprocal is 0 itself. So 0 cannot be, because 0 by something can be, but something by 0 cannot be defined. That is why 0 won't have any reciprocal. Make a note. So question number 10, minus 2 is the reciprocal of what? Minus 2 is what? Minus 2 is minus 2 by 1. Reciprocal will be what? 1 by minus 2, that is minus half. Could you understand? Now I will talk to you about power. See, 7 by 8 to the power minus 1. I have said in my previous standard about the indices. Remember, power, how you see any number. Any number means that number is having power 1. Okay, understood? But if the number is having minus 1 power, that means base will be reciprocal, then power will be positive. So base reciprocal means this was 1 only, so 1 by 5 to the power 1. That is minus, that means minus 5 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5. Do you understand me? So similarly, here also 7 by 8 to the power minus 1, definitely minus 1 power means base will be reciprocal only, and power will remain 1. 1 means no power, means if you don't give power, that will. So 8 by 7. So minus 5 by 7. Now another example, say minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7 is always minus 5 by 7 power 1. But minus 5 by 5 by 7 to the power minus 2 means 7 by 5 to the power 2. I mean to say anything, any rational number you take, 11 by 70. If the power is given as minus 3, no. To make the power positive, you need to reciprocal the base. So this is the value. Could you understand me? I hope you have understood. Go through, you will understand later.